Venturing into the world of investing. It can be quite a challenge, especially if you're a beginner, but fear not, because today we're going to talk about the top 5 investment platforms for beginners in 2023. First on our list is Robinhood. This platform has made a name for itself with its user-friendly interface and, most importantly, commission-free trades. Robinhood is a great starting point for those who want to explore the stock market without worrying about extra fees cutting into their profits. Next, we have Acorns. This platform is perfect for those who want to start small, using a technique called micro-investing. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. It's an effortless way to start investing without needing a large sum up front. Thirdly, there's Wealthfront. This platform offers automated investing with low fees and no account minimums. It's a fantastic option for those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. Set your preferences and Wealthfront will do the rest. Our fourth contender is Betterment. This platform simplifies the investing process with automated portfolio management and goal-based tools. With Betterment, it's straightforward for beginners to set and work towards their investment goals. Last, but definitely not least, we have TD Ameritrade. This platform offers a wide range of investment options and comprehensive educational resources. It's a wonderful choice for beginners who are keen to learn more about investing while they invest. Remember, each of these platforms has its own unique features, fees, and investment options. It's essential to explore each one and choose the platform that aligns best with your investment goals and preferences. So, there you have it. The top 5 investment platforms for beginners in 2023. We hope this helps you take that first step into the world of investing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more investment tips and guides. Until next time, happy investing.